Hey everyone, it's time for the Tuesday video. What are we installing this time? Well, we're going to install XBackBone. You can use it to display and upload your GIFs, your videos, and sometimes formatted code. Now you can use it for downloading and uploading. You can use ShareX and the Nix system. Now let's go ahead and hop in here and let's see if we can't make this quicker somewhat, like a usual 7 to 8 minute video rather than a long one. So we're going to need to call this XBackBone. Go ahead and add a container. XBackBone. Then we're going to need our address. Again, I'm going to use docker.io. Go ahead and punch that in. We have an extra dot there. Let's get rid of that. Okay. So what will we need now? User ID, group ID, and a time zone. Pretty standard. Go ahead and go to our environment variables, and we'll just add 1, 2, 3. Get our process user ID, process group ID, and our time zone. For me, on this install of Linux, I am 1000 as I'm the only user. If you're using Synology or TrueNAS, you may have a different ID and look into it. Though on TrueNAS, you can set up a user. Synology, you can also set up a user. But if you're the only user of your Synology, you can just find your ID and punch it in. For time zone, I'm going to use America, New York. So I get EST. Alright. Now let's go here again. We're going to need a folder, and we're going to need inside of that folder a config folder. So let's go ahead and pop open this. Go to where I stare. Okay. Where I stare at my folders and wonder about my life. I'll just call this XBB for X Backbone. Also add a big folder. Right. I was going to do this because you need to copy the path to where that is. Alright. Then we'll volumes. Add an additional volume. We'll find that volume for persistent data. Inside the container, they said it was /config. Then we'll paste where we are on the host machine where we stored the config folder. We'll need 2 ports and restart unless stopped. Okay. Go back to our map port so we don't forget it this time. That was 80 and 443. I'm going to do 8081 and 444. Let's go ahead and deploy our container and see if we are rocking and rolling here. Now this one I tried to not re-pull the image just to see how we do. Okay, pretty fast. So let's try localhost. Yep, let's try 8081, see if that might be it. It is, okay. We're on localhost, we'll use SQLite. Good local, admin, email, or no, we'll just do, for this example, we'll do admin@local.com. Our password will password. Let's go ahead and install. Okay. Admin.com and password. Go ahead and log in. We're already in here. Nice. See what our admin thing up here has. It's our user. Switch to the gallery, our profile. What do we have here? Client configuration for ShareX, screencloud, Linux script, or to download our exported data. Okay, we can also get a token, it looks like. What's in system? Right now there's just one user, size, our files, and orphaned files. Okay, that's really cool that they have the orphaned files over there. Let's see, a post max size of 8 megabytes and an upload max size 2 megabytes. You'd probably want to definitely change the. And I also did not use or update my memory to 128 megs. So we got registrations are off, auto upload tagging's off, embedded tags off. We have themes. I'm not going to mess with those, but you probably have a bunch of different themes on here. Yep. Okay. I'm not going to mess with themes. You can enforce the language, but you can also have it automatic. Okay. You also have captchas. Neat. That is really neat. There's already check for upgrades inside the program or container. That's also good. Let's see. Upload. Click, drop. Okay. Um, I don't have anything. Let's create new. I think you can upload text files. Let's see. Test.text. Open it. Blah blah blah. Go ahead and save it. Okay. See if we can do this. Click. I'm guessing. Guessing it uploaded it. Okay, home. Yep, here it is. Test text. Let's see. Can we actually look at the file? Yep. It's just like having Sublime. It has it highlighted. Very cool. Okay, so say I wanted to download it. Can I just click download? I can. Okay. What about? Oh, you can show the raw too. Okay, that's cool. Go back. What about sharing a link? Copy a link. Oh, it's gonna copy it from the local host. Paste. Yeah. Okay, that's copying it local host. Vanity. What is vanity? Oh, a custom URL. I'm not going to do that right now. Let's go ahead and go back to the front page. So open, download, copy, hide, custom, and I'm guessing you would actually need the physical app on uh, phone or your computer, laptop, etc. to use the ShareX and NIX systems. So you could probably use that to download files locally, or if you expose to the internet. Again, I'll say it. I recommend not exposing to the internet. Uh, good download while you're on the go. But for now, that's going to be XBackBone, and I'm going to get out of here. And I had today's video up. Take it easy, everybody.